Welcome to the Fox's Den. This is the kitchen segment where we bake. So Lexi's here to help me. What are we making today, Lex?
Brownies!
Yes, so I know a lot of people like to use box brownie mix. They say, oh, it's so easy, throw in some eggs. But this is really easy too, and it is hands down way better than a box. What we start off with is semi-sweet chocolate. So we have 4 1-ounce little blocks, and we're going to chop them up. I'm going to do the chopping because it requires a knife, okay? And then we'll put it in here. And then we're going to add to it a cup of sugar. And then we're going to also add to it a 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of butter. Over to the stove, let it all melt down. Once it melts down, we're going to add 3/4 cup of flour, 2 eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to mix that up, and then we're going to put it in a pan, and we will go through the directions again. So you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to take this off here. I love these pans, or these pots. And I'm going to chop up the chocolate. You don't have to chop it up really fine. Simple.
There's
little
nothing
quarters.
in it, though. There's nothing in here.
It's empty. Yeah. And we're going to scrape all the little bits into there. They come, I know that they also come in a pouch where it's already sort of liquefied. It's like this, not too liquidy, but sort of fudgy thick, these packets or pouches that you could squeeze out. So we got all the pieces in there. Okay. All right, so now Lexi is going to add the cup of sugar right in there.
It looks like snow.
Yeah, it does.
Whoa.
Good girl.
Cover it on.
Nice. And then we have the stick of butter. It is soft. It doesn't have to be, but I had it out and it got soft. So Lou, you can add that in, Mama. Go ahead. You don't even have to touch it. If you put your hands on the side and just dump it in. Good girl. All right. Want to show them what it looks like on the inside?
It looks like snow.
We're going to put that on the stove and we'll show you what that looks like. So it's starting to melt. You can see the butter is soft. And just stir it up. It's your job. Now be careful. So we have a 1/2 cup and 1/4 cup. You put them together, they make 3/4, and that's what you need. 3/4 cups of flour. So why don't you dump the little one in? Remember, you go in the center. Good. Mix it up. And then we scrape the sides. Is it okay if I add the 1 teaspoon of vanilla, or do you want to? All right. I will pour. I'm going to pour it over here in case we miss or spill. Good girl. Okay, keep that going. And you fold it over.
It kind of looks like an X-stand, but it looks like...
It kind of does, doesn't it? And you fold it over. And you side.
Guys, you know what you can do?
Looks like, hold on, looks like fudge. Go ahead.
Guys, you know what you can do? You can make the brownies and then you can get a cookie cutter and then you can make it into a little heart or shape that you want.
All right, you ready for the eggs?
Yeah.
All right, can we put cracked egg in a bowl in case any shells get in there, and then we can pick out the shells and we don't have to worry about it getting in the brownie batter. All right.
And bro, this is right. You can get a cookie cutter and then like a hot one, and then you can cut the brownie as like
Yeah,
a hot
you can, but we're not.
Yeah.
Okay. But that's a good idea. Go ahead. A little bit more. Right over the center. Okay, you put it in my hand. And I will give you the next one. Okay, dump it in.
Is there any shells?
Good girl. All right. Make sure you get
Mixy,
every
mixy,
bit.
mixy, mixy.
All right, mixy mix. Where's your sister today?
She's over there playing. She didn't want to do it.
She doesn't want to help. This is my chef right here. Sometimes I make a pan and her mother eats it straight out of the pan, the whole thing. Again, 350 you preheat the oven for 350 and it bakes for about 20 minutes. Still want it to be a little gooey. Let it cool completely. And then we'll cut them. Again, I think it's an 8x8 pan. And she's a pain. We're going to cut it like pieces of pie. Look at that, Lou. Are you going to have the big slice or the little slice?
I want to take that big one.
All right.
We are straight out of the pan.
Oh my goodness. Thumbs up or down? Thank you for joining us in the kitchen segment of the Fox's Den. Subscribe to our channel if you like what you see. Comment, share, visit us at www.fromthefoxesden.com. No apostrophe, just lowercase. www.fromthefoxesden.com. If you have something you'd like to share with us or a story to tell, write to us. That's our website. Better yet, subscribe to our channel. Thank you and have a good day.
Peace out, yo!